1941, a state of war.
What General Vagon had called the Battle of France was over. The Battle of Britain is about to begin.
We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills.
I purchased my STG58 about 2 years ago, and the original owner had removed the bipod because he didn't want the extra weight on there. Personally, it doesn't bother me, and I think it completes the rifle, so I'm going to get that bipod on there today. And since there's no really good tutorial on there, or on the internet anyways, on how to do it, figured go ahead and show you guys. So it's super simple. You're going to have your two brackets. They're going to go on either side of your barrel. Got your spring, your plunger, your nut, your screw, and then of course your bipod legs. So you should have two of each of those. This is what it looks like completed here, just to give you a general idea. A flathead screwdriver will come in handy, and an extra set of hands, but you can do this by yourself if you need to. It just can be a little frustrating. So after you put your spring in the hole there on the bipod leg, you're going to put your plunger in there. And the square face of the plunger is going to be on the opposite side of the bipod leg hole. First thing you're going to want to do is on the opposite side, it doesn't matter which side you start with, you're going to want to use a screw and screw down the brackets together. And this will just make it easier, make your brackets not fall apart while you're putting the leg on there. And again, there's your plunger. That's how it's gonna sit. Again, on the opposite side. So you're gonna be working against that spring that's in there, so it will require some hand strength. And once that's down, you're just gonna screw in your screw. Hand tighten that, and then use your screwdriver to fully tighten. Get your bipod out of the way. And then take your nut and hand tighten it on the opposite side. And I'm going to loosen this a couple quarter turns here. And I'm not sure how much this is going to help or not, but I just feel like it may help it tighten a little better. But as you can see, the nut is rotating with the screw. So you're going to hold down the nut and tighten it once again. Function check, and it works just fine. So you're going to do that for both sides. It doesn't matter which side you start with. Just make sure that you screw down one of the brackets on the other side before you start your work. That'll make it a lot easier. And there will be some rotation once it's put together right. You can use Loctite, especially if you don't plan on taking the bipod off again. That would definitely help. And just to show you one more time what it looks like completed. Again, very easy once you do it the first time, and I hope the video helped. If it did, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and I'll hopefully do some more simple videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.